Many gardeners stand in awe of a flourishing garden where every flower seems to bloom with unrestrained vibrancy. But beyond the usual approach of sunlight, water, and basic fertilizers lies a secret world of exotic soil additives that can transform your garden into a spectacle of color and growth. Imagine walking through a garden where the flowers not only grow but thrive, casting a spell of beauty that's hard to resist. One such miracle worker is bone meal. This fine powder, rich in phosphorus, promotes robust root development and enhances flowering. It's like gifting your plants a power boost, ensuring they have the strength to produce vivid blooms. Combined with its natural origin, bone meal is a sustainable choice embraced by many eco-conscious gardeners. Then, there's bat guano, nature's nutrient-rich treasure mined from caves. Packed with nitrogen and phosphorus, it offers an immediate nutrient release, driving rapid growth and vibrant flowering. It's a hidden gem that adds both vitality and resilience to the soil. Among these unique options, mycorrhizal fungi stand out as the unsung hero. These beneficial fungi form symbiotic relationships with plant roots, enhancing water and nutrient absorption. This increased efficiency allows plants to face environmental stresses with greater ease, ensuring uninterrupted growth and vibrant flowering. The power of mycorrhizal fungi is only now gaining recognition, but its impact is undeniable. While exploring these exotic soil additives, remember, gardening is an art, an ongoing experiment. Each soil additive brings a distinctive touch, catering to different plant needs and contributing to a healthy ecosystem. So why not explore beyond the basics and unlock the lush potential of your garden? With the right mix of these extraordinary additives, your garden may soon be the envy of all who pass by, an oasis of vibrant blossoms that tells a story of both nature's beauty and your tender care.